Canon EOS 80D. The intelligent viewfinder displays AF points and AF mode, has a grid display, a horizontal electronic level, plus numerous other points of information. For next-level AF operation, the EOS 80D camera has a wide area, 45-point all-cross-type AF system with low luminance performance to EV3 and 4 types of AF area selection modes. The 242-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor captures high-resolution images and has refined individual pixels that enable high ISO speeds, 16,000 for still photographs, 12,800 for movies.